the 2003 Jaguar X-Type. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 90,000 miles. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3-liter six-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. All of the premium features expected of a Jaguar are offered, including a tachometer, a power seat, front fog lights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. Jaguar ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive technology maintains a firm grip on the road. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.